Need to sell your home fast? Well, keep watching for how to stage your home for a quick sale. Expert tips. So everybody wants to know right now how to sell their home quickly. Well, first of all, average days on market currently for the New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas is between 50 and 60 days. But today we're going to talk to you about 10 expert tips on how you can sell your property the quickest.
And if you don't know who we are, you made it to the Living in New Smyrna Beach YouTube channel. My name is Chris Shores. This is Tim Loomis. We are business partners and good buddies, and we are the owners of White Whale Real Estate. More importantly, if you want to know what's going on in the New Smyrna greater area, so that's New Smyrna, Edgewater, Daytona Beach, Ormond, Port Orange, remember to like, subscribe, and follow. That way you can be up to date first on the news and what's going on in the area. And we do get calls, text messages, and emails every day from people just like you, trying to make it to the area. So reach out to us any way that you can. All of our information is below, or you can just click the link in the description below to schedule a consultation with us. We're happy to help you however we can.
Number one, declutter and depersonalize. So when you're ready to sell your home, you're getting it prepared, you want to make sure that you declutter and depersonalize. So what does that mean and why do we do it? Decluttering and depersonalizing means that you're going to be taking things off of the countertops, you're going to clear out the closets, you're going to take the family portrait wall off of the wall. As much as we love pictures with great Aunt Sue, at the same time, buyers like to vision themselves in the property that they're about to purchase. Like I said, you want to have things cleared off. A couple little items for staging is okay, but for the most part, you want clear spaces that really allow the buyer to personalize themselves in the property.
All right, expert tip number 2 is a deep cleaning. You want to make sure that you really have a deep, thorough cleaning on all surfaces. You want to make sure you get your windows, your fixtures, and you really need to pay special attention to the kitchens and bathrooms. Just making sure that you've got a good solid clean on everything, that there's none of those little splash marks or anything like that are on mirrors or any other fixtures is really important. It just overall leaves a great impression, and it leaves the appearance and the impression that the house has been well maintained over the years.
Number 3, enhance your curb appeal. So we always hear it, the first impression does matter. It doesn't matter if you're interviewing or meeting your future wife one day or husband. Shut up. Or if you're shopping for houses, the first impression matters. So go ahead, cut your grass, trim your bushes, go ahead, put a few nice potted plants. And if you're feeling extra curb appeal-ish, paint your door, give it a fresh coat of paint. As you can see, the one behind us has a nice welcoming yellow door. Makes you want to open it and go inside and take a look.
All right, expert tip number 4 is you want to create neutral and inviting spaces. As you can tell when you walk in from the front door right away, it's very neutral, it's very inviting, and you want to be able to do this to appeal to the widest range of buyers that you possibly can. We know that you may love your hot pink and electric green, but when you're trying to get your home sold quickly, you want to appeal to the widest range of buyers that you possibly can. And one of the ways you can do that is by using soft pastels, white and gray neutral tones that will appeal to a wider variety of people. And also when you want to make sure that you're using minimalistic decor, that way you can just make it feel like it's a more spacious environment as well.
Tip number 5, rearrange and optimize furniture placement. So the way that you adjust your furniture and the type of furniture you choose for a property can really affect the flow and how someone feels in the room. So it's really important that you select your furniture wisely. For example, this, I believe you can see it kind of like constricts it here. So I would probably move this way and do one of these. This way, what it does is it shows that this is a little bit more of a space. You don't feel like you're constricted going into the kitchen. So that's one of the main things. It really can make an impact. If you have furniture that's too big or even sometimes too small, it could really negatively impact how the home feels.
All right, number 6, let there be light. A natural light can make a significant difference in the overall ambiance and feel of your home. So you want to make sure that you have all your blinds and curtains and any other features that you have as open as possible to let their natural light pour in. Just gives the overall warmth of the home. And also with that being said too, you want to make sure that all your light fixtures are working and are in proper working condition. And maybe think about putting in warmer lights just to give a little bit more warmer feel and just like an even tone throughout the experience when you have people coming over to view your home.
Watch your step and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.
So number 7, highlight key features. So as you can see, this is a very nice shower. I love the golden brass type fixtures that they have put in here. And one thing that you notice is that they also went ahead and they put little towels in here and a little soap. It kind of like highlights the fact that it's a nice, clean, well-designed shower, one that you would want to take a shower in.
All right, we're on Ocho, so the finishing details. So you really want to make sure you go the extra mile. You want to cross the finish line and you've done all the work all the way up to this point, and that's adding the little details in. So little details are things like leaving out some glassware. You've got your matching fixtures all the way through. You've got matching faucet. Everything matches here, and you've got some wine bottles out here with a couple glasses and a cookbook, all to allow the potential buyer to really feel at home and envision themselves being here. The seller of this home also has done a really great job throughout of just staging the entire home, of making sure that it's clean. It has some decorative staging going on, but minimal clutter. So they've got the decorative pillows, decorative throws, and some pictures here and there just to allow you to be able to envision yourself being here in the home.
All right, so number 9, the next thing that you want to make sure you do, we've already covered curb appeal, but we're talking about making the outside spaces inviting and lively. So they've done a good job on the side of the house here where they have the driveway, little garage back here, seating area. When your friends pull up, you could be sitting here with a cocktail or a cup of coffee or I don't know, one of those fancy kombuchas, whatever you guys are into when they show up. So they really did a good job on this side of the yard.
It's a bad angle, you gotta get me from my good side. Number 10, pictures. You've come all this way, you've done all the things, you put in all the work, you've done all the paint, all the effort, all the arguments with your husbands and your wives on what should be done, what shouldn't be done. For the love of God, please, please, please hire a professional company to take professional pictures of your beautiful property. As they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and you're gonna have a bunch of pictures, so you're gonna have lots of words, and you really want people to be able to understand and feel what you're offering and what they're gonna be able to buy. And again, the key phrase or theme here is so they can envision themselves in it. If you've done all this work and you can't portray and let people see the work that's there to entice them to come view your home, it's all been done for nothing. So make sure you get good pictures.
Awesome. All right, so thank you guys so much for staying tuned with us on this tour of this house, number 1. And number 2, the 10 expert tips on how to stage your property. Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment. If there's something extra that you think could help get your property sold quicker, throw it down there. We'll consider it. Maybe it's something that's valuable that we could use in the future.
Yep, absolutely. We're always learning and we'd love to get a tip here or there if you think it'll help. More importantly though, this house behind us is still actively for sale. It's a beautiful 3-2 little beachside bungalow. The location is absolutely incredible.
Publix is right behind us basically. The beach is, 2-minute walk.
Right across the street there. This house is currently priced at $590,000. It is turnkey ready, detached garage, lots of space to be able to bring your toys. Overall, just location and beachside living, you can't beat it. So
exactly.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow. We appreciate you. Thank you for all the love and look forward to seeing you in next week's video.
Yeah, it's too hot for pants. Let's go.